Hi. This is my first time doing this, well, I did it like a year ago with my friend, but then he moved, so I stopped making videos. So, I was gonna play with a friend, but then didn't work out, so we could buy this chest. Let's see. I really don't get anything, so yeah. I was gonna play with a friend, but I guess she couldn't. So, I'm by myself. Yay. The next thing you know, we lose. What a great start. We just lost. Well, that was great. Next round. Let me just tell you what happened. I mean, it wasn't supposed to be like that, but we lost though. Still. Because somebody wasn't doing their job. I might do another video to get the giant chest. So stay tuned for that, which I just started making a video. This is my first one, so I hope you guys like it. Let's go for another round. So let's see what we do. Well, how we do. Alright, so we're in, so now we're gonna start. I mean, I don't really usually talk when I'm playing. So you might, I'll just talk. So, I mean, I don't have any good, cards, so I'm pretty bad. So yeah. My plan was supposed to play with my friend, but I guess she wasn't able. So, yeah, I guess I'm doing it by myself. So, that's bad. I mean, I only have one legendary, so that's bad. Which I'm pretty bad. So, yeah. Let's see if we get this win. Nope, not today. We got one tower. I knew he would do that. I knew it. So, yeah. Let's see if we're gonna get this King Tower. It did take a lot of damage for now, so he has a golem. Let's just do it. Let's dip it. Let's do it. But I'm pretty sure they're all gonna die because of bomb. But didn't reach the. So that's bad. That's really bad. I mean, they only have one tower, so right now we're about to get that King Tower. It's about to go down if he has the golem on him. But I don't think he does, so I'm gonna put my defense here. Oh, this is bad. A lot of troops coming. No. Bad. Oh, let's get this Valkyrie in. Because it would destroy the skeleton army. Alright, so he has his mini P.E.K.K.A. I'm gonna have my... Come on, we're gonna get this. Alright, we got it. We definitely got it. Alright, so there it is. I'm sorry that I made the video short, I think, which is like 4 minutes. So I might do another video tomorrow with a friend now. So yeah. Now if you guys want to follow me, here's my Instagram name. So yeah, bye.